Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video I am going to show you how you can put ads on your YouTube videos. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So you need to must fulfill the YouTube monetization criteria. So let me show you what is the YouTube monetization criteria. You need at least 1000 subscriber and 4000 valid public watch hours. After that you are able to monetize your YouTube videos. So let me show you the channel, and here you need to go into the home section onto the content, and here you can see that videos are monetized. You can see the green dollar icon, then you need to click on this analytics and go into the monetize, and here you have different ads. You can see that by which your videos are monetized. So this is a process by which you can put ads on your YouTube videos. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.